Hi, today we are going to install a Directory Synchronization Agent, also called DSA. We go to Tools, Agent Manager, and here we will find our installed agents. I will have to highlight the root in order to be able to install an additional agent. As you can see, the steps are simple. I have to specify the server name and the port. You don't have to memorize this information, you can find it anytime when you go to Project, open Project and follow the wizard. Since this is a domain controller, I cannot use the default port 389 and I will have to use a port 50,000. Now we go and refresh our agents and we can see the new agent appears in the list. Now we can use this new agent during the synchronization and during the migration. If you originally had only one agent installed, now you will see a new drop-down menu and here you will see the additional agent. Now we will go and remove this agent and we will try to deploy the agent in a different way. We can remove the agent using the GUI, or we can just go to Add Remove Programs and remove the agent this way. As you can see, the agent is gone. Now we will try to deploy the agent manually. We will go and find our installation CD, the software CD, and here's the executable. We will have to specify the same information again. and we can see the agent was successfully installed.